All right, lesson 13.4, disability insurance. The objective is to determine the disability benefits under independent retirement systems and under Social Security. Disability insurance pays benefits to individuals who must miss work because of an injury or illness. The formula that you have is annual disability benefit equals years work plus expected retirement age minus present age times the rate of benefits times final average salary. Go ahead and get this copied. Press pause when you're ready to play resume. Okay, here we go. Alicia Walmsley was working at Northern State University as an administrative assistant for 21 years. When she became permanently disabled and could not continue to work, she was 52 years old and had planned to retire in 13 years at Northern State's normal retirement age of 65. Her final average salary was $88,740. Northern State's rate of benefits is 2%. What is her monthly disability benefit? Okay. Now, if we just use the formula that we had, this is pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and copy that formula down here. Okay, and let's just go through, follow along. Now, we're looking for the average disability benefit, or the annual disability benefit with this formula. Okay, so let's find that. All right, so let's just copy exactly what we know. So if we find the year's work, she worked for 21 years. That is an ugly shade of green. Okay, she worked for 21 years, plus her expected retirement age was 65, minus her present age of 52. Okay, times the rate of benefits, which is 2%, times her final average salary of $88,740. All right, go ahead and figure that out. 21 plus 65 minus 52, that's 34 times 0.02 times 88,740. And what you come up with is 60,343.20. Now, that number right there is her annual disability benefit. Okay? The question is looking for the monthly disability benefit. So, you've got to take the annual benefit, divide it by 12, and you get $5,028.60. That is her monthly disability benefit. Okay? Let's go ahead and let's look at problem number 1 of the homework. Okay? It says Mark Moeller's final average salary is $47,800. He worked for 15 years and will retire in 10 years when he's 60. The rate of benefits is 1.8%. Find the annual and monthly disability benefits. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and give you the formula again, and then go ahead and find the problem. Press pause to work it out and play to see it work. Okay, let's work this out. Let's see here. Final average salary was $47,800. Let's see, he worked for 15 years. He wants to retire in 10 years when he's 60, which that means that he's 50. Okay, times the rate of benefits, which is 1.8%. Okay, so 15 plus 60 minus 50 is 25 times 0.018 times 47,800. That's $21,510. And and that's the annual benefits. Okay, it wants us to find the annual and the monthly. Okay, so there's part 1. Part 2, we take 21,510 divided by 12. You get 1,792.50. Okay? Okay, let's go ahead and look at the assignment. The assignment is lesson 13.4, page 496, 1 through 8 and 12. Get busy.